Meaning of disdain.
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 Disdain. Disdain is a feeling of contempt for someone or something considered unworthy of respect. It is the act of looking down on someone with a sense of superiority, often accompanied by a dismissive attitude or an overt display of disrespect. When a person feels disdain for another, they tend to avoid interaction with them and may even go out of their way to isolate themselves from the object of their contempt. The end result is often a breakdown in communication and a lack of understanding between the two parties.